So here's Blenderbot.ai. It's a new project from Facebook which you can discover online. It's available only in United States at the moment, but this is AI research project from Meta where you can do some chatting, and then you can just chat with this bot and give more feedback to Facebook and Meta. You can try to share your conversation or no, it's just you decide. And then you can see that sometimes this bot is not that perfect. It is what it is. So then you can just write again here, and then you need to wait for response before other reply. And then I already hinted that I play volleyball, not tennis. So that's what it is. And then I can just send it here. If you want to open a new topic, you can just send a new topic in the bottom right, and you can tap to look inside. And then you can just see the AI's long-term memory, meaning like what this algorithm already know about you.